So in this question, we're being asked to graph an absolute value function or an absolute value equation. Now, the standard form of an absolute value equation looks like this. Y equals A times the absolute value of X minus H plus K. Now, notice the standard form doesn't have anything for a coefficient on the x value here. So, and sometimes you will see this written like this, y equals a, and then they'll put an mx minus h plus k. All right, so when you have a coefficient on the x, so in this case the m value, to graph this, one of the first things you want to do is find the vertex. And so the vertex is located, let's write this down, the vertex, which the vertex is the point of the graph. So it's this point here. And I'm sorry these graphs aren't bigger. I know they're hard to see, but that's the vertex. So one thing we'd like to do is find the location of the vertex. And notice absolute value functions are a V. And we've got ones that open upward, like A and D, and then we've got B and C that open downwards. Now, what determines whether it opens upward? Well, let me go back to the vertex. Let's finish what we were saying about the vertex. So the coordinates of the vertex can be found by taking H over M, comma, K. So that will give you the coordinates of the vertex. So in this problem, this is my M here, the 2. This is my H. And then the K, there is no value there. So the K is 0 because there's nothing there. And the A value, by the way, is 1. So the A is 1. So the vertex in this case, our H value is 3. Now don't be confused and say that it's -3 because the standard form is minus H. So this is -3, so the H value is 3. So the vertex is going to be, sorry, I'm getting there. The vertex is going to be at the H value, which is 3, divided by the M value, which is 2, and then comma the K value, which is 0. So the vertex is at 3/2, comma 0. So if I go back and look at the graphs here, this has a vertex at 1.50, so right there. This one's at 1.50. And then these last two, they have the vertex at -1.5. Is that right? I got to put my glasses on. I can't see. Oh, sorry, that's it. Yeah, -1.5, and that one's -1.5. Hopefully your eyes are better than me. So it's not these bottom two. It's either the top one, the top left, or the top right. So A or B. So then we know the vertex. The other thing is whether it opens upwards or downwards. And so the way that we determine that is by the A value. So if you have a positive A value, that looks like, if you have a negative A value, it's upside down. All right. So this is a positive A, so we should have a V opening upwards. So that would make the answer A up here. So hopefully that helped you out. Keep it up and you will master the math.